What is that? We got them at the shop, and I was like, I gotta have it because I don't have to carry around that 5-gallon thing anymore.
Oh my gosh. We're gonna go ride today. Fall's basically over at this point. I mean, but it's beautiful out. We're having a stretch of nice days. We're going to Bogey Bros. The only difference is we have like a small addition.
Slight hiccup, positive addition.
Positive hiccup in the plan. Kids don't like me. I'm not good with kids. I take myself too serious. The goal for today, don't make her cry and be best friends by the time we leave.
It's not gonna happen at all.
Well, we're gonna try. I would be happy with just getting a high five too, to be honest.
Do the grip.
Beautiful as always. You guys gonna jump the leap today?
No. Tired, bud?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
You're right, that is pretty fast. Hi, honey.
Yeah, track's really good. I love the leaves. That's a fun element.
You know what I'm really glad about?
What are you glad about?
Any dads that watch this are gonna be super jealous.
Oh yeah,
I like that.
100%.
Let it be known, kids do not ruin your hobbies.
Yeah.
You do.
I don't know, she looks pretty miserable.
No, she's having a good time. Look at her, dude.
Yeah, all the grass and rocks she can touch.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, Cam.
Did you have fun?
I'm not trying to make a sacrifice.